We're going to look at two different methods of putting these lovely jackets together. One where we have got a long sleeve and one where we have a shorter 3/4 length sleeve with a ruffle. And then also one of the differences is that on the one side I'm going to use interfacing, which is great for a quick job, and on the other side I'm using a lightweight cotton fabric to stabilize my fabric here. So that's two different options that you've got, and neither of them are really where you can say, oh, this is better than that. But if you have a lighter fabric that needs a lot of stabilizing because it really moves in all directions, then maybe you want to go for a lightweight cotton fabric to stabilize. If you're already working with a fairly firm cotton, then you can just use the iron-on interfacing. If you're not using a linen like I do on my instructional videos, and you're using a cotton sateen, for example, or a denim, you do not need to interface the front all the way over. All you need to do is to put some interfacing onto that area where your corner point is for the collar, because we're cutting to it. Also, a very nice way to interface is to use woven interfacing. It's the best you can do for a really sort of nice firm structural jacket. And I can iron this onto the lining here so that when it rolls to the outside, the collar sits nice and sharp. So there are many ways to achieve a really good look in a jacket. This is very close to using interlining, only it sticks to the fabric and therefore it's easier to handle. And there you go. So that's another way that you can use interfacing. This stuff is great. It's from Joann's. And I've got the details here for you. It's Pellon SF101 Shape Flex. And it's a great little tip for all of you that like it to be more tailored.